Does it feel like your money disappears before the month even ends? Or maybe you're doing everything you can save, but still aren't making progress. The truth is, money management isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you handle what you have. Stick around, and I'll show you how to master your money and take back control of your finances. Hey, I'm Anthony-Doty, and I'm here to help you automate your routine, manage what matters, and dominate your financial future one step at a time. Today, we're talking about money management, the foundation for building wealth and reducing financial stress. So what's the problem? Here's the issue. Most people don't have a system for managing their money. So without a plan, it's easy to overspend, fall into debt, or feel like you're just treading water. Why does this matter? Because if you don't manage your money, it will manage you, and not in a good way. But with the right strategies, you can take control, reducing stress, and start building real financial confidence. So what's the solution? So with a simple money management system, you can save more, spend wisely, and reach your financial goals faster than ever. So let's take a look at the 3 pillars of money management. Pillar 1, create a budget that works for you. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a purpose. Track your income and expenses and assign every dollar a job. So why does this matter? A clear budget helps you avoid overspending and ensures your money goes toward what truly matters. So you'll finally feel in control of your finances instead of wondering where all your money went. So let me give you an example. I use a simple system where I divide my expenses into needs, wants, and savings. This keeps my spending balanced while still allowing for fun. So let's take a look at pillar number 2. Build an emergency fund. So set aside 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a separate savings account for unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs. I would highly recommend you get a high yield savings account for this to help you achieve your growth faster. Okay. So why does this matter? An emergency fund protects you from relying on credit cards or loans when life throws you curveballs. So you'll have a peace of mind knowing you're prepared for the unexpected. So I started small by saving $20 a week and let it grow over time. It's amazing how quickly it adds up. So let's take a look at pillar 3. Automate your financial goals. Use automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bills. This ensures your financial goals are prioritized without you having to think about it. So why does this matter? Automation removes the temptation to spend money that should be going toward your goals. You'll save time, avoid late fees, and make steady progress toward your financial future. So what's an example? So I automate my savings so the money goes straight into my high yield savings account before I even see it. So why does this matter? Let's take a look at 3 whys, okay? Why number 1, why budget? Because every dollar you track is a step closer to your goals. Why number 2, why save for emergencies? Because life is unpredictable, but your finances don't have to be. The last why automate? Because the less you have to think about, the more consistent you'll be. So let's take a look at some benefits of a strong money management system. Okay. Number 1, reduces financial stress. A clear plan gives you confidence and a peace of mind. You'll stop worrying about money and start focusing on what really matters. Number 2, helps you achieve your goals, whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or traveling. Good money management makes it possible. You'll feel empowered as you watch your hard work pay off. Number 3, improves relationships. Financial stress is a common source of tension, but managing your money together can strengthen bonds. You'll build trust and teamwork with your partner or family. So, what's the biggest challenge you face with money management? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. I'll share more tips to help you take control. So remember when I said budgeting isn't about restriction? It's like using a GPS for your money. You still get to enjoy the ride, but you know exactly where you're headed. So why I can help. So as a financial empowerment coach, I have helped clients turn their finances around with simple, effective money management strategies. Why should you even listen to me? Because I've been there and I know what works. If I can do it, so can you. So are you ready to take control of your money? Share your biggest money management challenge in the comments. And if you want a personalized guidance, book a free consultation with me today. Let's build a system that works for you, not against you. So remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.